Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing the Hygger Aquarium Wavemaker and installing it to my Fluval Evo saltwater tank. So inside the box, here's your manual. Here's your power adapter, magnetic mounting system, main Wavemaker controller. There's 5 different modes to choose from: pulse wave, cine wave, constant wave, random, and crossflow. The controller features 5 physical buttons in the front and 1 LCD display. The controller also comes with a plastic housing with a hanger for easy mounting. Just a minor observation, I noticed the magnetic pad wasn't positioned correctly and wasn't lying flat, and the same thing with the rectangular magnet that came with it. To attach the power adapter, just make sure to align these arrows together, and that should align those 3 pins perfectly. Unfortunately, I had a defective product that was sent to me. I am having error 04 every 2 minutes, and that error means there's something stuck in the propeller. I double checked everything to make sure there was nothing in the propeller and restarted the Wavemaker so many times, but still not working. I contacted Amazon about it and they sent me a replacement right away. After 24 hours, I received the replacement. So once I received the replacement, I installed it right away, and so far it wasn't giving me the same error like the first one. To switch the wave modes, short press the bottom mode button and it will select and display the mode right in the left middle part of the LCD screen. To switch frequency, long press the same button and adjust the value by pressing the plus and minus button. To go back to speed mode indicator, just long press it again. This Wavemaker can also control other Wavemakers by switching mode to master by pressing the YLE button. So for my settings, I ended up with wave mode M5, frequency of 30 and speed of 78. So far I'm loving this Wavemaker. It will definitely give you more flow in your saltwater tank, aside from the defective product that was sent to me and being no light on the LCD screen. Overall, no complaint about it. If you want to check out this Hygger Wavemaker, I will leave a link on description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.